I've got 672 books downloaded in this. Books on first aid, on survival, filtration of water. I mean, I can sit here and go on and on and on. If something happens and the internet is completely wiped out and our information age is over, the 60 plus books I have at home are nice, but if I'm driven from my home, my family and I can't carry all 60. But what we can carry are the hundreds of books I have on this device and the other two devices I have in Faraday cages. What's going on right now is the fact that if I have to bug out or there's an EMP, this is a little heavy to carry. Plus, these days I'm using my tablet, put all my information on to keep, especially my maps. If there's something happens and we have to leave the area or I'm having to make my way back home, I can keep all my maps electronically. Problem is, I can't keep them in a Faraday cage like this. I'm going to actually start keeping my tablet and a couple other phones in these Faraday bags. They protect all your electronics from EMPs, and I want to show you a couple examples here. The ones that I got here contain 5 bags. This is the largest bag here, and then several other smaller bags also. It's one 12 by 18, one 8 by 10, and 3 5 by 7s. And to show you how it works, find my device, and right now I'm looking for my tablet. And that's because it's getting a signal from a tower or my Wi-Fi to locate it. And what I'll be doing from here out is taking this EMP protection bag, dropping everything right down in here. And it's got a Ziploc up here, just seal it up. And looking for it. Can't find your device. So it's on, but it's not receiving or giving out any signal. My other electronics, like the other phones that I use for backup storage, I'm also going to be placing in these smaller bags as well. I like the product. I've tested it out. It's great. You know, they've got the bags, they've got briefcases, they've got Faraday protection for your vehicles and other electronics, whole room protection as well.